lost the bot, you just gotta head to the top of the page, click here, and then click on start bot. Open your Telegram app. So this is on desktop, so it opens up like this. And now these are the things that this bot can do. I can register, I can download 1xbet, I have the latest promo code here and the official access site here. And this one is very important, so I'll show you how to use this. Okay, so information hub for Nepal. I want to register first, so I will click on register. Here's the registration link, the official one, of course. So there you go. So once you get here, you can type in the promo code. That's 1x-2901149. Very important. Keep in mind you'll get a 250% bonus if you use this, because this is the latest promo code, because it says here, right, the currently active 1xbet promo code is 1x-2901149, and if you enter this during registration, you can get up to a 250% bonus. So that's it. And now if you want to download 1xbet, here are all the videos. You can watch the videos. You know, this is the APK download link for Android, and this is the excuse me, that's the Android installation video, and this is the iOS installation video. You can watch these videos and have the app installed on your phone. So yeah, that's about it. And do let me know in the comments if you are confused about anything. So remember to use this promo code, and for bonus, just select Casino plus 1x games, because you will receive a larger bonus if you do that. So 1x-2901149, and then click on register and click on verify. So that's your new account now. Just make sure that you